Naghahanap ka ba ng simple, straightforward, at accessible na stock investment option? Tara, may papakita ko sa inyo na discover ko. Meron akong nakitang unique feature kasi ng 2Trade Asia na baka makatulong sa inyo. So if you're still if you're still selecting a stockbroker where you can invest in the Philippine stock market, so pwede mong i-consider to. If you go to 2Trade Asia Plus, meron sila ditong thematic basket. Dito, naka-theme na yung investment. So usually kasi ang question ng mga bagong, anong stock or saang industry or sector maganda mag-invest? Dito, naka-theme na siya. Like you have your main index, you have travel and tourism, infra plays, yan, telco, clean power play, ayan, may mga selection of power generation. Actually, madami siya. As you can see, it's super user-friendly. It's perfect for beginners na naghahanap ng easy, accessible, at strategic way to invest or pumili ng stock in the Philippine stock market. This is Christina saying na si Juan ay hindi tamad, madiskarte siya.